Okay, we are at the end of the course. I would like to congratulate you, and I hope this has been really helpful for you and that you understood and learned a new way of dealing with your unhealthy habits and also build new ones and healthy ones in the process. So here's what we covered. We covered what makes unhealthy habits so powerful, and it's the fact that they have benefits, they come with benefits, and they satisfy our needs, and they also feel comfortable. They don't require a lot of effort because they are habits. Then the 4-part strategy to get rid of unhealthy habits. You've got making a decision, identifying the unhealthy habit that you wanted to get rid of, focusing on it. Then you've got the second step, which is observing the habit, knowing what triggers the behavior and what feelings and benefits you associate with it. Then the third step was to replace the habit, thinking of similar activities that bring in the same benefits, the same feelings, or even better. Then the fourth part was to reinforce the changes and change your environment so that you have better chances of staying consistent. And you also learned a way of staying consistent with the changes and actually shortening that gap and assigning different habits and different activities to the triggers that you get. Okay, so this is the course. You are at the end of it, and really well done on sticking until the end. Now, your next steps, let me know how it went with your unhealthy habit, and don't forget to leave a review. I would really appreciate it. And also check out my other courses if you'd like more strategies on how to have a healthy lifestyle. So that's about it. Thank you so much for taking this course, and I will see you around very soon. Have fun.